join in the national effort with CDC and the government of our country to provide relief for the people of Guyana and those who have suffered as a result of the floods. And so here this afternoon, we have more than 2,000 boxes of cereal and biscuits, which hopefully will be of benefit to the people who have suffered as a result of the floods. And we wish to commend the CDC for the efforts in providing relief to those persons who have suffered throughout Guyana, and especially in the hinterlands of Guyana, where access to them is challenging. And so we want to commend CDC for this great humanitarian effort and the government of our country for the proactive approach in getting relief, foodstuff, sanitizing, and etc. to the people of our country. So we, CIOG, the Central Islamic Organization of Guyana, we are very happy to participate in this effort. And I must add, this is a continuation of our support for humanitarian work here in Guyana. As we speak, currently this week we have already sent more than 300 hampers, 200 tow for the Maikoni Creek, which will be distributed over the weekend, and another 100 hampers for people in the Blackbush polder, which will also be distributed over the weekend. So we want to encourage other organizations and donors, local and foreign, to cooperate and participate in this humanitarian effort for the people of Guyana. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, Central Islamic.
Okay, on behalf of the Director General, Civil Defense Commission, certainly we would like to thank Mr. Hack and members of the Central Islamic Organization for their timely contribution towards the effort, this cause, persons that are affected across Guyana through this flood. Thank you very much, Mr. Hack.
Okay, all the best.